All right, everybody. Good morning. It's Monday, uh, 4/21/2025. I feel like it's been a while since I've seen you guys. Weekly? No, jack shit going on, I guess. I'm fucking ratchet ho. For some more, we're not there yet, but we're kind of close. But we're kind of close. Just more. If this isn't previous day low, as you guys can tell. Uh-oh. Nope. Uh, Sorry, I mean, like fucking distracted. I don't know what the fuck's going on. I'm tired. Trading is fucking crazy. Uh, okay, lock in. We have that daily low, and we have this one, but we're honestly so fucking close. I honestly don't give a shit. And like, let me just see on the 4 hour. Fucking sticky, sticky. We have a fat wick here. I mean, I guess we're going down. Well, shit. All right, so I'm bearish. That's simple, I guess. Are in this little hourly gap, and yeah. I mean, let me see the session highs. We got Asia. We got this is London. We'll mark out London low, even though it's not, you know, anything of importance. I would say because we're pretty fucking close to it. And then like Asia low is like right here, but we already hit that bitch. I didn't mark out the highs. Asia, London. Okay. So the market opened yesterday. Let me scale down a little bit more. The market opened yesterday, and we opened up down here. I want to see this in a little minute. Okay. So we got down, retraced back up a little bit, and then have been slowly moving down, honestly. Like, pretty fucking slow. So, who's to say we're not just going to continue that trend, you know? We have, where would we, like, go down to, though? Like, if we truly are bearish, we might come down here and even go, like, over here, and then start to see some buying pressure back up. The move down prior to the move up, that's pretty. I mean, this is your daily OB, is it not? Yeah, maybe over here. 'Cause I don't think we're gonna come back all the way down here. I think we're kind of. I don't want to say we're done going down, but I think this might be the low. You know, and unless we truly are fucking in a bearish market, then I don't think we should see this. Obviously. Anyway, so my bias is bearish. However, we do it's a no news Monday and a no news Tuesday. Yes. And today there's a lot of bank holidays, uh uh like a lot of them. If you look on your I don't want to put all these fucking Monday. Yeah, so we have a French bank holiday, a German bank holiday, an Italian bank holiday, GPB, which is 4X, isn't that? Yeah, it's fucking 4X. I mean, this is all kind of. But a lot of Europe has bank holidays right now. And also, the Prime Minister, uh, Francis, is that his name? I think that was his name. He passed away, I think today or yesterday. So, and it's on top of that, just in the US, it's a no news Monday and Tuesday. So I'm expecting pretty shit price action. I'm not gonna lie. So we'll have to see if we could, catch a piece of the pie. It's 9:20. I am gonna go shower, so I probably won't be here right at 9:30 open, but that's kind of fine. I would probably wait towards 9:45 ish, 9:40 anyway. But Monday, Tuesday we have no news, and Wednesday's PMI. Thursday unemployment claim, and Friday's nothing. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday should be pretty nice. Monday, Tuesday, I'm expecting kind of shit price action, especially kind of today. But we'll see. So I'm gonna see you guys when I come back. But bias is bearish solely based off of just something we're going down. You know, we are kind of building very like low resistance liquidity over here. You know, so if I see a long opportunity to London high and Asia high, I will take it. But overall bias is, I mean, we're going down. So I mean, and it's not like we tapped into any unmitigated fair value gaps or PD arrays. You know, I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna see you guys in a little bit. Hi everybody, real quick, just want to come on here and say that I have not taken a trade yet. The market not kind of, we just kind of shit the bed. I said kind of again. We shit the bed. Uh, there was nothing here for me personally. I mean, unless you were in right at like 9:30, you know, because I mean, I'm sure people took this and you could have, but I came back around like 9. I came back like over here, and you know, I wasn't gonna just enter, you know. Came down, moved sideways, took out previous day low, and then whatever. And we're not gonna have 5 minutes. Never mind. We tapped into that whatever, and we got a CISD down. Maybe you could short. You go look for shorts right now, but actually, maybe this isn't even a bad idea. Treat that as a breakaway gap, even if you don't, your stop zone. I say 30 point. I don't know, but I gotta go. Didn't take anything. We took our previous day low, and then ES hasn't. ES kind of got far away from it. So I figured it. Look at this shit. Oh my god. I gotta go. I'm gonna see you guys when I come back from class. Alright, chat. We let's get a little personal here. Um, the recording. I didn't take any trades. I'm not even fucking logged in, so I didn't take anything because I didn't see anything. I'm not gonna lie to you. I wanted to see these target or this low right here get hit. Not that one. This one. We hit it, and we ended up going a lot lower. ES took its time getting there, but it did eventually. Um, and the only trade that I kind of liked looking back at it was right at New York Open, which, you know, number one, I don't have a set rule where I say I have to. Actually, it wasn't right at Open. It was right here at night. It was during the macro. Actually, that wasn't that bad. I just didn't, you know, take the time to look beforehand. Um, but before we just talk about the one trade you could have taken, let's talk about the market today as a whole. I think lows or you know shorts was the move. I think everybody thought that, and I knew price action was going to be pretty shitty in the sense of me being able to actually you know see. I don't want to say my model, but seeing an entry that I like. Um, look at this shit. Um, I was looking here and I saw this 15-minute fair value gap right at 10:30. And if you did, actually, that wasn't that bad of a trade. Yeah, it was. Was I pointing this trade out? I feel like before I left, I had this trade marked out. You know, like bada bing. Your stop, even if you put it right there, it was really nice. But I probably would have put it. I mean, conservative here, a second level of conservative here. Realistically, I mean, you could treat this gap as a breakaway gap. So whatever. Point is, I probably would have taken profit like around here. I would have been pretty fucking stressed. Because a good break even point, I would say, would be down here. And technically, we never even hit break even. So, whatever. Like, this was one of the trades that you could have taken. I mean, I was just going to school, so I didn't take this. But the thing is with this trade is that the target was already hit, you know? And I would just honestly maybe be in this until ES took out the previous day low. But, I mean, there was that, which was a trade. So that 15 minute, 1 minute shit, blah, 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 down below. And I'm sure there's other 1 minute things or, other shit you could scalp, but really wasn't looking. The only trade that I do actually kind of liked was right here. We had a 5 minute inverse that was being respected a lot. I don't think we have an S&T here, but we could take a look. Holy fuck, no, we didn't. We didn't, but and like 5 minute inverse, we wicked into it a lot. Is this an hourly fair value that? It isn't. You could classify this as like an OB though, in the sense that we did get like a 5 minute CIC. And then this 1 minute, you'd be looking for the 1 minute for an entry, and then you could have entered off this inverse. I just thought it was a little like I want to say I didn't realize it was 950, but maybe the best entry would have been right here. And your stop, I'll probably just put it maybe this. Um, and I mean it was just straight profit. Like we instantly, not instantly, but you instantly fell about 100 points. If you left a runner on all day, that's a lot. I mean, right now you're up 360. So one micro, that's 700 bucks, but one micro. So besides that, and then this 15 minute over here, I really didn't see anything else that I necessarily really liked. Um, so yeah, going into tomorrow, maybe we could look to target. I mean, I guess down here if we truly are going to keep going down and be bearish. But no trades for me today. Let me know if you guys took a trade. I'm just curious. We have no news tomorrow, but I don't have any school tomorrow, so I'll be able to take a trade maybe. Hopefully, we'll actually take some. I just said actually like 4 times. But I want to look at some. Look, I don't think I've traded on this Express account, and yeah, it's been a whole week. I just kind of took that week off, but I didn't even do it on purpose. Anyway, whatever. I'm going. I only have like $800-900 left to draw down. Three micros, baby. Anyway, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. It is 2 o'clock, and I'm calling it a day.